Good afternoon, class. In our lesson today, we are going to read the A sound in these sentences. We are going to read the whole sentence, but we want to identify words that have A sound, and especially the ones we have learned in our previous lessons. Waxaan fiirinaynaa, waxaan akhrinaynaa jumlooyinkan waxaa ku jira erey aan soo barnay cashirka hore aan ku soo baranay oo A sound, yacni dhawaqa A laga dhaxelayo. Intay ku jiraan waa isla arki doonaa. So without wasting time, let us go directly to the sentences. Sentence number 1. Sentence kugu horeeyo. A cat has a rat. 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 So if you look at this sentence, you see cat, at, cat, at, rat. So you can see a cat has a rat. Number 2. A car has a fan. A car has a fan. A car, you can see this is the sound. The sound is here and the sound is here again. A car has a fan. Okay. 3. A man has a map. A man has a map. If you look at this sentence, this one is a sound A man, and also sound A in map. A man has a map. Okay. Number 4. An egg is in a pan. An egg is in a pan. You can see this. That is a sound A there. An egg is in a pan. Okay. We are identifying the A sound, especially what we have learned, the words we have learned in our previous lesson. Dad has a van. Dad, you can see dad is there. So it was there in our previous lesson. Dad has a van. Dad has a fan. Dad has a van. Okay, next. A mat is in a bag. Mat, mat. Mat. A mat is in a bag. A mat is in a bag. A mat, you can see, a mat is in a bag. The man has a hat. The man has a hat. The man has a hat. So you can see there's the sound a man, man, at, hat. The man has a hat. The man has a hat. Then finally, the last one. Dad has a bag. Dad, dad has a bag. You can see that. Yes, dad has a bag. So we want to read once. Let's start with number 1. A cat has a rat. A cat has a rat. 2. A car has a fan. A car has a fan. 3. A man has a map. A man has a map. 4. An egg is in a pan. An egg is in a pan. 5. Dad has a van. Dad has a van. 6. A mat is in a bag. A mat is in a bag. Then next, the man has a hat. The man has a hat. Then 8, dad has a bag. Dad has a bag. If you have reached with us here, I want to request you kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and give me a feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.